So Isabella, let's go on with this idea of turning. And we just did the promenade. So now we're going to start with a glisse. We're going to slide forward, 1, 2, which kind of looks like that tombe position we've been using. Now I'm going to make a quarter turn to the right. So in order to do that, I need to twist back to the left, my spine, all right? So this arm is back here. Now I want to turn to that corner. So I'm going to, again, use this right arm, okay, as we did in the promenade. But now that I'm in a plie, I'm going to have to bend my right knee. I'm going to have to give a little push with that. So I'm going to do that. At the same time, I'm going to increase my plie. I'm going to get off my right heel. I'm going to open my right arm so it's back there, and that will turn me to there. And then I'm going to lower my arms. So again, facing this corner, if I slide forward, 1, 2, and now I'm twisting back to the left, okay, and I'm stretching up. Now I feel like I'm ready to move my right knee and my right arm, and I'm going to bring my right heel forward. So now I'm facing the back wall. All right, and then we'll repeat that. So this idea then of doing this en dedans turn, an inside turn, you're turning to the right on the right leg, is again using this idea of inside out. In other words, when I teach this in class, I often see that students want to do this, because it's easier. But this is what I call outside in. And as a result, they end up falling over, okay? Because all the weight is going in the same direction at the same time. So again, equal and opposite, right? I'm reaching back to the left, and I'm going to wait with this leg. I'm going to start with this one, okay? I want to do my right side, and that will bring my left foot under me. All right? So we want to break it down that way, that one side leads the other side. So you'll just go around yourself here. All right? You want to give it a try? Sure. Okay. And the music? Give it a glisse. Now you're winding up, back to the left. And push. Good. And rest. Balance. Now moving out. You're stretching up. Feel the twisting to the left. Turn to the right. Get your focus. So you're still working balance, working movement. And up the back of the neck. And feel the twist. And turning right. And rest. And you can breathe out while you work. And you can exhale. And stretch. That looks right. All open. Now back to the right, so you're ready to go left. Push. Right. And the hips are always forward, and the ears are always up. Feel the twist. You can breathe out while you work. You can exhale. Right. Good. And everything turning out. You're always turning out.